There are four zones in this house that are controlled by four Nest thermostats. Here's one of them. This is one in the hallway. So right now it's set for heat. So if you turn it, you control the heat. And notice it's kind of orangish color. So you can control the heat. Or if you push it, you see heat. Just turn it one time and you have cool. That would be the air conditioning. Now the air conditioning is in blue. So you can set the air conditioning to the way that you want it. So this is one zone that covers one part of the house. There are three other zones. One that covers the master, one that covers the main area, and the other that covers the fourth bedroom / office with the bath. All right, that is pretty much the house. Enjoy.